Have fun with your birdie friends. I'm leaving.
Did he say something?
Oh, forget about him. Now we can have some real fun.
Excellent notion, brother. I think it's time for a...
Bird party!
I'm free as a bird.
So I said, let's take a tail feather, baby. She's all like, yeah. And I'm like, what?
I'm free as a bird.
Hey, baby, what's shaking? How you doing? Nice beak.
A bird.
Man, these bird girls are cool.
I told you to back off. My name is Raven. I'm not a raven.
Come on, guys, give me a break.
Look it, buddy. Garbage!
I'm free as a bird. The bird. The bird. The bird.